To begin this haircut, I'm going to take the number 8 with the lever closed and remove all the hair on the top. Next, using the number 3 with the lever closed, I'm going to debulk the sides. In the back, I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm going to stop a little bit above the occipital, and I'm flicking out as I go up. Then I'll take my 1.5 with the lever closed, and I'm gonna go up, leaving about 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the line that I created with the number 3 guard. Then I'm going to open the lever and soften up the line that I just created, and I'm flicking up towards the number 3 line. Then I'm going to take my number 4 guard with the lever closed, and I'm going to remove a bit of bulk and blend in the sides to the top. Next, using my thinning shears over comb, I'm going to lighten up the top dark area and blend it in better towards the top. Once I'm happy with the bulk area, I'll now begin to make my guideline for the fade. Using my trimmer with the blade facing upward, I'm flicking as I'm creating the line to make it softer and easier to blend. Then I'll remove all the bulk. Now using my half guard with the lever closed, I'm going to create a guideline going up about 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to open the lever and soften the line that I just created. And I'm making sure I flick out as I'm hitting the line. Now from this point, I'm going to go back and use my thinning shears over comb to blend everything together. I could use a guard, but I prefer using my scissors, as it is less risky in ruining the fade or creating lighter areas. Now using no guard with the lever closed, I'm going to flick and erase the line that I created with my trimmer. Now using my half guard, I went back and detailed a bit more. Now moving on to the lineup, I'm using my number 2 guard with the lever closed and trimming down the bangs to prep for the lineup. Now when doing the vertical bars, I like using this area as a reference point. So as long as the vertical bar aligns in between this area of the eyebrow, I don't consider it a pushback. Now I'll do the same for the other side. And now, since my client's corners do grow in towards his forehead a little more, I'm gonna have to take his corners a bit back, but aligning it with the natural lineup from the middle part to make the lineup look as straight and natural as possible. Next, I'm going to be taking my foil shaver and shaving everything underneath the fade. Even when using the foil shaver, I'll flick up to not create a hard, bald line. I'll use my trimmer to blend in any line that I left behind from the shaver. Then I'll finally apply some enhancements using my airbrush and the Tomb 45 Onyx black paint. And I'll follow up with a razor finish. And here's the finished result.